Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A huge shout out to everyone that played along on the close-up coins games. We are going to see now what those 10 50p coins were. A huge shout out if you did manage to get them all correctly. Coming up later on today are going to be 10 more coins to guess. 2 of them are super difficult, but we are going to give some prizes away to some of the people there if they do get all of them correctly, or to a couple of people that have got the most correct out of everyone. So these have definitely been a little bit of fun, getting everyone practicing. And again, a huge shout out if you did manage to get any of the close-ups correct. So we'll start off then with number 1. And the first zoomed in image was actually of the Kew Gardens 50p coin. A lot of you did get that one correct. Moving on to number 2, this one a little bit difficult as this coin was never released for UK circulation. The coin then was indeed the Peter Rabbit 50p. 3 Peter Rabbits though were released between 2016 and 2018. A few people did struggle with this one, and this one then is the Jemima Puddle Duck 50p. It was actually zoomed in on her neck. Moving on then, we can see a cyclist at the bottom, but it isn't from the cycling 50p. It is actually from the Olympic triathlon. The next coin is another Olympic coin as well. This one a little bit difficult as you could only see the outside of the coin and not quite the sport that was taking place. And it was indeed the Olympic wrestling 50 pence coin. Back to the Beatrix Potters then. This one isn't the Peter Rabbit 50p. It is actually from the Beatrix Potter anniversary, the first Beatrix Potter 50p coin to be released for UK circulation. On to number 7, and I don't think I would have got this one correct. A huge shout out to a lot of people that did. We've got Paddington outside St Paul's Cathedral. This Paddington Bear 50p coin released back in 2019. They are getting a little bit difficult now. Again, a huge shout out if you did get number 8 correct. It was indeed the Flopsy Bunny 50 pence coin. The next coin is actually a territory coin from the Isle of Man, and this coin is from the Victory coin set. Winston Churchill himself there in the middle of the coin. V there, the first of the Victory coin sets to be released. Moving on then for number 10, another one that a lot of people did get correct. I really don't know how. We're finishing off. Coin number 10 is the Miss Tittlemouse 50 pence coin. Again, well done for everyone there that managed to get at least one correct. You really did do well. Like I have said previously, if you get more than half of these correct, you really are a true coin collector. So coming up then this evening, we will be playing along for prizes. Again, a couple of them might be super difficult, but that really is what it is all about and makes it that little bit more exciting. I really do hope that you enjoyed this series of zoomed in coins. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.